lot of the internet women like track you.
It's all about drugs, illegal IDs, even assassination behind it. Yeah, the dark net is mostly about bad guys. Right now!
If they found Lex, can they find the rest of us too?
They had control this whole time.
Please, leave us alone! Get out of there right now!
I can hear you. Are you still
Kelly,
there?
I can't
just
see you.
The director of Unfriend Dark Web is Steven Swanson. This is the Fairmark director. Diba? The characters naman, which is first is Alexa Rivera, is protagonist, a curious 17 years old student who is stable of the dark web from the web searching online piracy. And second character, Maya Chi, a security intern working with the Digital Crime Task Force. And third character, Spectators, an antagonist, a nameless dark web manipulator, recruit vulnerable teens. And fourth character, Detective Ramon Alvarez, a certain cybercrime investigator who will understand the social engineering scope. And fifth character, Sofia Rivera, Alexa's older sister, emotionally strong but unaware of how deep Alex is getting involved. For any their threat ICT and Unfriend Dark Web if you elaborate. Please elaborate. Yes, they are a clear growing trend in their information and communication technology ICT. It's related to an appearance involved in the dark web and the related underground darknet forums below. I elaborate on some of the most important trends as of 2024-2025. There are any internet threats usual on dark web. If you were to elaborate, yes, there are many serious internet level. There's interconnected with the dark web and find the evidence and show the malicious actors using the dark web to facilitate or amplify this threat. Here's a breakdown of these types of most threats and show them show up in real life. The last question, what I learned about Unfriend Dark Web. Always check your device and be careful using social media. That's all. Thank you.